What is up, guys, and welcome back to another episode of Bearded-Bowties. I am your host, Bearded Bob. Okay, my name's not Bob. There are some things that you should consider when growing out your beard. Thing number one, guys, those smooches from your girlfriend or your wife, they're going to start to dwindle down. They're going to say things like, "I don't like the way your beard feels against my face. Your hair's poke me." Those are some things they're going to tell you. You're just going to have to live with it or shave it. Another thing that you need to consider getting yourself some quality beard products. Get yourself a hair dryer. Yes, I said it, a hair dryer. Guys, a hair dryer is going to be key when it comes to growing a long beard. You're going to need that hair dryer so that you can straighten your beard, make your beard look fancy. No, guys, for real, a hair dryer and a round brush or a comb do wonders when it comes to straightening out your beard. Another thing to consider when growing out your beard, you're going to get a lot of opinions on it. But guys, that's your beard. At the end of the day, it's your choice what you do with your beard. You're going to have people say, "I think you ought to trim it down. I think you look better without a beard." Guys, at the end of the day, you need to do what makes you happy, makes you feel good. You need to be confident in yourself. For those of you who are just starting to grow a beard, I know it's going to be tough. You got to get past the itchy phase. You got to get past the phase of looking kind of raggedy. But trust me, if you push through, you'll be glad that you did. See you in the next couple videos.